So welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna be hanging out with the M5 homies, Supra Mark 5, Audi R8s, M4s for days. It's gonna be chill little ride. I'm gonna see what happens, but yeah, it's gonna be another one of those days where it's a little cruising on the freeway with the homies, go see some cars. It's gonna be a good time. Oh shit, all the homies are here, bro. There's the freaking GTR, Supra, holy. GTR, boosted Supra. I don't know if it's another boosted Supra. M5. Holy, this thing sounds insane. Dude, whoa. The setup is nasty. You hear the turbos?
That sounds so insane.
That's Haru with his M5.
Oh my god.
Dude, Haru's M5 sounds crazy. Haru's lit, bro.
There's his M5. Honestly, just his lights go hard behind you.
I know, dude. He's got the yellow lights too. It's so hard. It goes so hard.
Yeah.
I'll cut it up. I'm just gonna come down the freeway. Wait to get on the freeway.
Oh my gosh.
The wine is so juicy right now.
It is. You keep some distance, dude. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're good.
I need to like blindfold my eyes. Yo. Oh my gosh.
No one really gunned it. There's so much room though.
You're the only one gunning it. Oh my gosh. I'm not used to like your Hellcat. I haven't like driven it in a while or ridden in it.
Oh my gosh, that wine is so sexy. POV vibes, you know what I mean? Freeway vibes.
Passenger princess POV.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, it feels so good, honestly. That was the fourth gear, obviously nothing special. But there's so much cars in the freeway, it kind of sucks.
Yeah. Where's everybody going to?
For real, dude, there's so many freaking cars in it. It's so sexy. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure to leave a like. Leave a like right now. Let's get this video to 100 likes. We've been doing that consistently, which is kind of crazy. Thank you for 12K subs again, for real.
Get us to a million subs. Oh my gosh.
It feels so good on the freeway, but I wish it was just way more room. The homie Haru with the freaking M5, bro. That thing sounds so nasty. I didn't get the clip of him gassing him, but bro. We're in West Hollywood right now, but dude, this car is just so aggressive, bro. I can't one day until I can have like every single car in the books, bro. Have all my homies driving it. We're gonna make it freaking happen, bro. I'm gonna make it happen. We're rolling up to Malibu now. Bunch of freaking Supras. Corvette, it's about to be lit out here, bro. So we're going to the canyons now. We got the Hellcat, GT Mustang, M5, Supra, another Supra, Mustang, GTR, another freaking Supra. We have 3 freaking Supras. Let's get it. We're rolling deep with the homies, M5, GTR, Supra, Hellcat, and now it's like this is literally like a perfect scene from like Cars, bro. Bro, like there's that one muscle car in the back that has no traction. That's me. So we'll see how it goes. I know there's a beast ass bridge, so I'm gonna freaking send down the bridge. Let's get it.
It's cool that you can see all of them in a row.
No, right? So clean. Where's that
Oh my gosh, that was insane.
my ears so bad.
Okay.
We're doing like a third-person type of view, type of POV. Maybe I'll literally name this video third-person point of POV. But we're on the highway going back from Malibu. We recorded some clips of Malibu, which is kind of dope. The bridge was insane though. But honestly, it's so dark today. I didn't even care about filming. So
Yeah.
should do some highway POV type of vibe. M5 right in front of us, GTR. I'm gonna try to hit it with the M5 right now though. It's a perfect spot, literally. I want to do a 50 roll with them so badly. Oh my valves real quick. There's the M5. Beautiful M5 GTR. This one shoots freaking flames, which is badass. That 8. Oh, look! It's right next to me right now.
Passing it.
Holy. The whine is so sexy. I don't even care about the speed, bro. I just want to hear the whine. Oh my goodness.
So shaky. I'm like
good.
barely holding it still.
The phone should help you a lot though. The phone like has a stabilization thing.
Yeah.
I think.
We shall see.
I can't wait one
Nice.
day to have like a Supra. Also, just because it has that big turbo spool, bro. Where was that one?
Where is everyone?
Oh, it's a GTR next to me. The M5's behind me. GTR's rolling up right now. And I hate this 450 roll so bad with the root. He thinks he could beat me, but low key, I think I'll match him. Just to dig, he'll smoke me for sure. But to like 50 roll, I don't think so, bro. Dude, this wine is insane. Only 3,000 RPMs, bro. Oh, root. These bumps are
Oh,
freaking
man.
wild.
I feel like I'm on a roller coaster.
I love how I have this light on because you can probably see everything in this
Yeah.
car.
Yeah. No, it's actually not that bright.
It's like perfect, right? It's like
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
You need it on because if you turn it off, it looks you can't see anything going on.
Oh my gosh, dude. You can drive this car all freaking day. The M5 is nasty, bro. bro, I'll be in this M5 like just the whole time popping it, pop, 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 because it's so freaking loud. It's unreal. Oh, we need to shoot smokes.
I know.
That would be perfect.
Yeah. He was doing it so much earlier, but we got it on video though.
I'm surprised there's so many people at freeway. Like, what are people doing right now, bro?
Yeah.
Like, partying it up or something?
I know, it's not even like Christmas weekend.
Gosh, these shits are so beautiful. Oh, the bridge. Bridge.
Bridge. Time to go crazy. The Malibu one was so long.
It was insane. My ears
You
were
did it
burning.
all the way down.
Oh my gosh, dude, the wine is like everything to me, bro. Just so beautiful. I can't get over it. I'll be honest with you, bro. I remember I'll drive home, have my phone on my dash, and just listen to Hellcat videos.
I remember that.
That was amazing.
You're trying to find the best sounding ones.
Yeah, bro.
And it was
because
so hard.
no one would gas it. It would like gas like a minute. So that's why I always try to gas it like every couple seconds. At least it's hard to gas it the whole entire freaking way. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Especially on the highway, it's a little harder to make the sounds juicy compared to like. I'm gonna enter the 5 freeway with these guys.
It's going.
Okay. Street sketch, but. Winding this thing up like freaking crazy. Dude, Urban's car is freaking fast, bro. Last time I car with that much horsepower, I smoked it. But he also did get a start off, but oh my gosh. We didn't have a clean. Yeah, I'm ending the night off now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vid. Kind of like a nighttime POV with the homies, you know, highway, M5 vibes. Nothing crazy, you know, because it's so dark, dude. Literally, a cop passed by me and flashes lights. There's a highway patrol, flashes white lights, and then passed me because I think I cut him off or something by accident. But no, I didn't cut him off. It was weird, bro. I honestly, I don't know how I didn't get stopped, but God's blessing, bro. I'm just gonna say that. It's God's favor. It has to be, bro. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Make sure you guys leave a like if you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.